Bougie lifestyle. Bougie lifestyle.
Okay, it's Bougie Lifestyle Collection, baby. It's Bougie Lifestyle. That's what we reppin', baby. This Bougie Lifestyle is for all my sexy ladies. It's Bougie Lifestyle, period. No questions, baby. It's Bougie Lifestyle Collection, baby. It's Bougie Lifestyle. That's what we reppin', baby. This Bougie Lifestyle is for all my sexy ladies. It's Bougie Lifestyle, period. No questions, baby. It's Bougie Lifestyle. The bougie way or no way. Okay.
Bougie babes, it's your girl Queen Bougie. I'm back with another video. I look a mess, that's just period, so please don't mind me, but I am back with another video. Of course, these bundles are from Bougie Lifestyle Collection. Look how they flow, look how they bounce, honey. It's the bougie way or no way. But what we are going to be doing in this video is we are going to be coloring the bottom of these bundles. She did want a burgundy ombre effect, so we are going to be coloring the bottom of these bundles. We use inches 16, 16 and 18 inch body wave bundles with a 14 inch 4x4 closure. If you bougie babes want to shop this look, shop the bougie way or no way at www.bougielifestylecollection.com. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to click that notification bell and like, comment, and subscribe for this video. Make sure you click that notification bell again so you can be updated for when I do upload a new video. Alright, so in the previous slide I did show you guys the BW2 powder that I like to use, as well as the 40 volume developer. So right here I believe I am just going to do about 3 scoops, because as I stated, I am only going to be doing the bottom. No, I am not going to unravel the bundles. No, I'm not going to do any of that. I am going to show you what I am going to do here. Alright, so I added my 3 scoops of the BW2 powder, and now what I'm doing is adding my 40 volume developer. You can add as much as you want. I like it to be a creamy consistency, just to stretch the bleach. As I stated, I like for it to be a creamy consistency. Just make sure it's not too watery, because with that you could end up not getting enough bleach and your color is not going to take. So as I stated, it will be a creamy consistency, or you can have it thick as well, say as if you're coloring the closure or anything of that nature. Make sure that you guys are using gloves when using the bleach. It can burn and stain your skin and things of that nature, and you definitely don't want that, because it really does burn once it is left on your skin. So as you can see, I have my 3 bundles laid out, and where I have my finger going across is where I am going to put the bleach, and that's where the ombre effect is going to go. So I am going to show you guys here now, and excuse me, my arm was in the way, but I'm definitely going to show you guys what I do. So I am flipping it over so I can get the other side as well. When doing it this way, you have to make sure that you get every strand of hair, because you're not unraveling the bundle and doing it piece by piece. So you are doing it all at one time. So you do want to make sure that you're getting every piece of strand of hair that you want bleached, so the color can look beautiful and it can take well. So after it is all combed out, you see those black pieces that's there, those are the ones that do not have bleach. You're going to take more bleach and put it back on the bundles, just to make sure, as I stated, that you're getting every strand of hair that you want to be bleached. Make sure you are separating the hair, as you see me doing here. As I stated, you want to make sure that you get every strand of hair that you want to be bleached. I cannot stress this enough to you guys, okay? Just make sure that you're spreading out the hair, making sure that you're getting every strand of hair, because you don't want some parts to be bleached and some parts to still be black, because then your color is not going to look how you want it to look. So everything that you see me doing on this bundle here, you are going to repeat the steps for the other two bundles as well as the closure. So this is what the bundles look like after you have applied the bleach, and as you can see, the color is already turning to where we need it to go. So now I am just going to repeat the process and do the closure as well. Get into this hair, honey, okay? Get into this closure, baby. If you guys do not shop the bougie way or no way, I just don't know what you guys are doing, honey. I just don't. This is what the bundles look like after you have bleached them and washed it with the purple shampoo. It is to that golden brown that we want them to be. These are the colors that I used to get the burgundy color. So as you can see in the previous slide, I did try to show you guys the actual coloring part of it. However, I do record all of this on my phone, so I ran out of storage. I had to delete a couple of videos and photos, so it would not let me record it, but I did want to show you guys the two colors that I mixed together to get the color that I'm about to show you in the next one. Alright, babe, so this is what the bundles look like after you have bleached and colored them. As I stated, she was going for a burgundy ombre look, so that is what we gave her today. As I stated, these were body wave bundles, inches 16, 16, 18, with the 14-inch 4x4 closure. If you bougie babes want to shop this look, go to www.bougielifestylecollection.com. Again, shop the bougie way or no way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell bell so you guys can get notifications for when I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Mwah.